Welcome to the video lecture series of Project Development and Resource Management. Course code MC301, contact hour 4 per week, credits 4. This is lecture 12. This is MTech in ECE, third semester subject. Myself, Dr. Shunipara, head of the Department Electronics and Communication Engineering, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. So this is module 2, that agreement on trade related aspects of intellectual property right. What is intellectual property right? Importance of IPR, patents, types of patent, patentable inventions, application and registration of patents, who can apply, rights and duties of patentee, infringement and remedies, and also R&D activities in educational institutes. This lecture is particularly dedicated for discuss the R&D activities in educational institutes. So best practice in innovation, what is that? You need to understand the customer and market needs, and that means how. And culture of innovation, there is a vision, leadership and support, commercial imperatives to innovate and flexibility. Open innovation, collaboration model should be there, partnership should be there. Funding, willingness to invest in R&D, balance current and future needs. Execution, commit resources, continuous improvement, benchmark, goals, strategy. Creativity, skills, knowledge base, learn, change. Intellectual property, manage and protect. So structure of lecture is the introduction, background, that is the management of R&D within organization or institution, R&D and the link with corporate strategy, R&D strategic planning, R&D operational activities, allocation of funds to R&D, summary and recap. So what is R&D? According to TWIS, R&D is the purposeful and systematic use of scientific knowledge to improve man's lot, even though some of its manifestations do not meet with universal approval. Similarly, Russell has mentioned that to develop new knowledge and apply scientific or engineering knowledge to connect the knowledge in one field to that in others. That is, it is a linkage of one field to other field. So R&D not only in institution, R&D is applied in business also. So these points should be kept in mind. That is critical for marketing. Competition has made R&D important. Consumers, trends, needs, demands. No guarantee that higher spending on R&D will lead to high profits, greater market share, more creativity, better products and services. There is no guarantee. So why R&D is important? Crucial for survival, fast changing environment, continuous technology change is there. If R&D is not there, then how to cope up with the recent changes? Competition, there are several body that is trying to invent the same thing. So there should be a competition. There is a payback, obviously. If you do R&D in an organization, there is always a payback. So to meet that competition, this R&D is important. Changing consumer preferences. And fundamental to marketing advantages is the markets come from understanding what markets need. Efficient production processes. Who are the key players in institution for R&D? Institution itself is the key player. Government is the key player. Universities are the key players. Faculties and Dean R&D faculties obviously are the key players. Dean R&D has some significant role to pursue the research and developmental activity in an organization. So traditional R&D, what does it suggest? About gaining competitive advantage. This is the outcome of R&D, this traditional approach. Technical developments in industries such as chemical, electronics, auto, pharmaceutical, whatever. R&D was seen as a staged process, moving from research to engineering to manufacture. So you have to start research first, then you have to go for the engineering, you have to go for the design and development part, simulation part, then you have to manufacture. So large investment in R&D such as the space race, which resulted in many products and fueled economic growth. So university versus industry research. Two types of research are not same. So universities provide the fundamental and basic research which tends to be more general. Universities concentrate on pursuit of knowledge. Industry research, whereas, focuses more on product development, new technologies, understanding of technologies in existing products, technologies in manufacturing, application of knowledge for commercial purpose. But nowadays, universities or institutions are moving for industry research also, because there is a matter of revenue that could be earned by institute also. So classification of research. Knowledge and concept is the first step. After that, after applying that, we need basic research, applied research, development, technical service, and physical product is the last product. So when physical product is written, this is very close to market. R&D operational activities. These are based on basic research, applied research, development, technical service. Work of a basic research is the work of a general nature intended to apply to a broad range of users or to new knowledge about an area. Applied research is nothing but the work involving basic knowledge for the solution of a problem. Development is nothing but the application of known facts and theory to solve a particular problem through exploratory study. And technical service is the cost and performance analysis and improvement to existing product or the product you are going to manufacture. So components of R&D is basic. If we consider basic research, then the components of basic research is general in nature, apply to a broad range of uses and technologies. Universities and large corporations, this basic research is applicable. New scientific discoveries may be taken care of or may be possible. But applied research is apply existing principles to find new solutions, application of science, moving basic research towards new products, as for example, Dyson vacuum cleaner. And if you consider development, there are several components of development part. In development part that focuses on products and commercializing these. Several prototypes may be developed, design improvements occur, trials, modifications and improvements occur. Technical service. Technical service, if we consider service support systems around existing products and processes, cost and performance improvements, modifications to specification to improve costs, marketing considerations. So there is a strategy in R&D also. So strategic management of research and technology should be considered. That what are we trying to do in this business or whatever. If you are an academician, then also what are we trying to do in our institution? How can R&D contribute? Next step. Then the next step is what are the costs and benefits and risks associated with this particular R&D? What can we afford? That if we are dreaming some big, but we can't afford this, if this is not possible. So what can we afford? That should be in thought level, so thinking level. So next is what will we support in R&D? That means that is the key activity, so that can be supported by the R&D process. So these are the process steps, these are the strategy of R&D, and that should be taken care of before starting the R&D. So strategic role of R&D and its link with businesses, and exploratory research drive new businesses and R&D for existing businesses. It is written businesses if you are you belong from an institution, then link with institution, this will be institution. Exploratory research drive new technology in institutions, and R&D for existing product. This will ensure the institute are able to compete and to exploit all opportunities available to it. Similarly, drive for new product in an institution, that means business opportunities will continually arise and R&D will ensure that this can be exploited. So R&D strategic planning means developing a technology portfolio. Core technology central to all or most of the commercial products. Complementary technology is additional technologies. Peripheral technologies whose application contributes to the research. Emerging technologies long-term significance. What to spend on R&D? That is a fixed relationship to turnover. That means what I am spending the money, my money or my capital in institution itself or in management is contributing some money for R&D. So there must be a turnover. Turnover, it may not be a product for an institution, but it may be patent also. That patent can be sold, and revenue can be earned. So a fixed relationship to profits of revenue, reference to previous level of expenditure, and internal customer vendor relationship that is also built. So these are the references. Managing R&D projects. Managing R&D projects is nothing but that already I have mentioned. It is again written over there. That is R&D strategic planning. First is background, the management of R&D within organization. There should be there, a management body should be there. R&D and the link with corporate strategy, R&D strategic planning, R&D operational activities, R&D project selection criteria, that is very crucial. Which project is applicable to which department or which institution, that is also a crucial part. R&D evaluation, summary and recap. So R&D project evaluation criteria, there are several criteria, that is technical, research direction and balance, competitive rationale, patentability, stability of the market, integration and synergy, market, channel fit, manufacturing, financial and strategic fit. So these are the references. If there is any question, please feel free to ask me to this email ID. Thank you.